honored and featured on First Responder Friday at New York's Country947.com. Presented by Ramsey Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram.
You're in charge of hiring, and Indeed has solutions, like online skills tests, which let a candidate show that they're the right hire. And we give you this magic music, which will inspire the perfect hire to begin clog dancing. Okay, there's no magic music, but skills tests, that's for sure.
See why independent research by Silk Road shows Indeed delivers 3 times more hires than any other job site. Post your next job at Indeed.com/hire and try skills tests for free. Terms and conditions apply.
Hey, excuse me, Captain. This is your wake-up call from the new TracPhone Wireless.
What's that now?
What if you had to fly this plane while sitting back in the cabin?
I wouldn't have any control.
Well, that's what it's like going with some wireless companies, but TracPhone Wireless gives you control. Get unlimited talk and text on America's best 4G LTE network starting at $20 a month, no contract, plus unlimited carryover data with active service.
That's cool. How'd you get my cockpit?
This is your wake-up call, people. The new TracPhone Wireless. Now you're in control. Available at major retailers. See terms and conditions at TracPhone.com.
Don't you love that feeling when you've just nailed your look? That's how it feels to use Stitch Fix, your personal styling service that delivers hand-picked clothes right to you. Stitch Fix is simple and convenient. Sign up in just a few minutes, and you can try out new styles right at home. And there's no subscription required, ever. So, isn't it time you started nailing your look? Get started today at StitchFix.com. Stitch Fix, personal styling for everybody.
A chief estimator is sought in Jersey City, New Jersey to review specifications and establish project budgets, evaluate plans to prepare cost estimates for complex wood components, including fabrication and installation, analyze architectural plans, blueprints, production needs, and labor costs to prepare estimates, correspond with vendors and subcontractors on pricing and material availability, resolve engineering issues that could delay manufacturing process, assess cost effectiveness of services, track costs relative to bids, monitor market and raw material pricing trends, attend bid. A bachelor's degree in forest or industrial engineering or foreign equivalent and 2 years of related project planning experience in the woodworking industry is required, including experience with AutoCAD and interpreting architectural woodworking engineering drawings. AWI Advanced Estimating Certificate is required. Brief domestic travel is required. Email resumes to Eastern Millwork Incorporated. Attention, Yamparo at eastern-millwork.com.
Hi, I'm Brian Scooterwork from 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
You only brought 2 of them?
Do you